Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a quick, easy song called Stuck on You. It was written by J. Leslie McFarlane and Aaron Schroeder, and of course made famous by the king of rock and roll himself, Elvis Presley. This was the first hit single for Elvis after his 2-year stint in the U.S. Army. It reached #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 in April 1960. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, this song has 3 very easy chords to play. Let's have a look at them now. First chord, G major. There's a C add 9. And then there's a D chord. Let's look again. G major, C add 9, and a D. That's it, those 3 chords for the entire song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, a little bit of strumming and the chord progression. Keep in mind that the verse in the chorus basically use the same chord progression. The bridge to the song uses the same chords, only in a little different order, a little bit different progression. We'll review both. Let's look at the verse in the chorus. Starts on the G major chord. Follow along. Here we go. Just kind of an up and down strum. C add 9. Back to the G major. To the D chord. Back to the C add 9. And then to the G major. You can shake an apple from an apple tree. Shake, shake, sugar, but you'll never shake me. No siree, I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. That's it. That's really the verse in the chorus, the chords and the chord progression to it. Let's take just a couple of seconds here and look really quickly at that bridge and its chords and chord progression. Okay, the strumming is the same for the bridge, but the chord progression is slightly different. In this case, we're going to start on the C add 9. Okay, follow along. Here we go. To the G chord. Back to the C add 9. To the D chord. Hide in the kitchen, hide in the hall. Ain't gonna do you no good at all. 'Cause once I catch you and the kissing starts, a team of wild horses couldn't tear us apart. That's it. That's the chord progression and the strumming to the bridge. Okay, we're going to mic it up now. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
You can shake an apple off an apple tree. Shake your sugar, but you'll never shake me. No so free. I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna run my fingers through your long black hair. Squeeze you tighter than a grizzly bear. Yes, sirree, I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna stick like glue. Stay because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna stick like glue. Stay because I'm stuck on you.
And there you have it, Stuck on You, written by J. Leslie McFarland and Aaron Schroeder, and of course made famous by Elvis Presley. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. I do truly appreciate it. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.